Welcome. Now this is a question from TAO NAN school, okay, year 2020, primary 6 prelim question. Frank had to make 200 toy cars. He made 8 toy cars each from Monday to Friday and 15 each day on Saturday and Sunday. So he works a little bit more on the weekends. Starting on a Thursday, on which day of the week did Frank complete making all the toy cars? Meaning, on which day of the week did he complete all 200 toy cars? Now, to do this question, we can use the technique of grouping, whereby we calculate how many toy cars can be made between Monday to Sunday. But before that, we need to note that this person has started on Thursday, and then of course the next day will be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and thereafter he will start with a fresh week on a Monday. Okay, and then all the way until he finishes the job. So what we need to do is to remove this number of toys in these 4 days first, and we start fresh from Monday so that we can know how many weeks is available to finish off the number of toy cars. Alright, now from Thursday to Sunday, how many toy cars can he make? Okay, so number of toy cars between Thursday and Sunday. Okay, now this will be Thursday and Friday is 8 toy cars each. Saturday, Sunday, 15 toy cars each. So basically it's 8 times 2 plus 15 times 2. 8 times 2 plus 15 times 2, which means he's able to make 46 toy cars. Again, between Thursday and Sunday. Alright? Now, bear in mind, he needs to make more than this. Okay, he needs to make 200 toy cars. So, number of toy cars left to make. Now this one here will just be 200 minus 46, which will be 154 toy cars. Okay, and this one here will be made, have a look at the top here, will be made from Monday and onwards. Alright, now in one particular week, the number of toy cars he can make is as such. Alright, this is one entire week. So, you see, from Monday to Friday, that is actually 5 weekdays. Saturday and Sunday is another 2 weekends. So, the 5 weekdays will be 8 times 5. Okay, plus the 2 weekends will be 15 times 2. $70 toy cars. Okay, so bear in mind, he needs to complete another 154 toy cars, and for each complete week, he can finish off 70. So if we take 154 divided by 70, you will get 2 complete weeks. Alright, so you round this off to 2 complete weeks is needed to finish off 70 plus 70, that's 140 toy cars. But bear in mind, 2 weeks is not enough, because when we take 154 divided by 70, we will get actually a decimal placing. Okay, so this will give us 2.2 weeks. So what does this mean? 2 complete weeks is not enough to finish off the entire 154. Okay, so in 2 weeks, this person is able to do 2 times 70, which is 140 toikas, and he's still left with 154 minus 140, which is 14 toikas. Now these 14 toikas, again, from Monday to Sunday, he's able to do 70, and then another block of week Monday to Sunday, he's able to do another 70. So he starts fresh again on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now this is when he has to finish another 14 toikas. Alright, so on Monday itself, he will be able to do another 8. So 14 minus 8, which is going to be 6. So in order to finish another 6 toikas, he can do so on a Tuesday, because on a Tuesday he's able to do 8 toikas. So the answer for this question is Tuesday. Alright, bear in mind, this 8 here is done on a Monday, so he's left with 6. So that 6 can be done on a Tuesday. Why? Because on a Tuesday he does 8 toikas, which is more than is needed actually. Okay, so answer Tuesday.